Se me va a romper, ¿verdad, señorito? ¿Ah? Se va a romper, a menos que lo tenga por dentro y que no esté moviendo.
¿Me puede contar algo de esta noche? ¿Qué vas a hacer?
Nosotros estamos danzando para celebrar Día de los Muertos.
These dances have been preserved and passed down from generation to generation through conquest and through the attempted genocide of our people. Indigenous people who have lived in the Americas from before the Spaniards or the Europeans ever thought that land existed somewhere else. We are not immigrants. We are not illegals. Woo! Woo!
My girlfriend's father, they give me to me like a present because they go hunting.
Mm-hmm.
So,
wild.
Yes. So he gave me like a present for me.
Nice.
They know I do some tradition, indigenous. So that was very special. So I don't buy it.
Mm-hmm.
Any of these feathers is so like present that people.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Our people were the first people in the history of mankind to create a real, true relationship with the earth through the cultivation of corn. Corn, originally thousands of years ago, was a weed that grew about this big. Through the cultivation and the relationship and the love and understanding that everybody deserves the right to certain elements on this earth, we created that relationship with corn. And I say that because that's a very important understanding I want you to take today. What you saw us do and what we do every day of our lives involves honoring, giving thanks, and asking for permission in order to step and live in honor and dignity. We saluted these four directions. We burn this copal. We blow the atecocoli or the corn shell. We ask for permission. We ask for permission to the spirits, to the ancestors. We ask for permission from your ancestors. We ask for permission from this earth and the universe to share. This is not entertainment, though it is fun to watch. It is also educational. The first dance that you saw, we call it Tonantzin. Tonantzin Tlalekuatlique. That is our earth, our mother. She who gives to all without judgment. The true owners of the earth are our children. All children in the world. When I say that, because right now we're living in a time where children are being locked in cages. That is not right. That is not healthy. Trauma will be created for those children and their families, and shame is brought amongst all of us because we allow it to happen. No human being is illegal. No human being, especially a child. The next dance that we saw is Maiz, Sentli. Again, that is an indigenous cultivation, ingenuity, science, all brought together with prayer, belief, and understanding. All of it mixed together to create a plant that fed the people. All the people had that right to eat. And this vibration that we share with all of you is full of love, beauty, harmony, happiness, and joy, especially because we're celebrating the Day of the Dead.